All right, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing tzatziki sauce from scratch. It's a great sauce. Use it on gyros, lamb, chicken, you name it. Even fish tacos. So we're going to start off with an English cucumber. We're going to cut the tips off. Then we'll cut it in half. Get our potato peeler out, and we're going to peel the cucumber. You can use any cucumber you like, but I find the English cucumbers work the best because they've got smaller seeds. So once we get this peeled, we're going to get our grater out, and we're going to grate the cucumber down in that bowl that we have there. And then the next step, we got to get some of that liquid out. We don't want all that water. So once we get it grated, we're going to sprinkle it with some salt. And we're going to set it to the side and just let it sit for about 15 minutes to draw out as much water as we can. And while that's drawing out the water, if I can remind you to please like, subscribe, and share the channel, I appreciate it. Leave a comment if you can, it helps. Tell your friends and family to subscribe. All right, 15 minutes later, we're going to lay down some paper towel. Make sure you use good quality paper towel. And we're going to roll this up and squeeze out all the water we can get out of this cucumber. Take your time and just squeeze out all that liquid. Liquid no good. Okay, we'll get the cucumber out of the paper towel. Now it's time to make the sauce. 2 cups of Greek yogurt. Then we've got 1 tablespoon parsley, 1 tablespoon dill, 1 teaspoon black pepper. Throw that in there. 2 cloves of garlic. 1 teaspoon lemon juice. And give this a real good mix. And once it's all mixed up, we're going to transport it to another bowl. I got a Pyrex bowl here that has a nice lid for it. So we'll fill up that Pyrex bowl. We're going to put the lid on it. And you want to put this in the refrigerator at least 4 hours before serving. Overnight is even better. Let all those flavors get to work. But you're going to love this sauce. It's a light sauce. Can be used on so many different recipes, or just dipping pita bread right into it. All right, enjoy this and come back soon. I appreciate you.